You're a nig.
Buddy.
You're a nigger monkey.
Oh.
You're a nig.
Bud.
You're a nig.
Buddy.
You're a nig.
Okay.
You're a dirty.
Whoa. Fuck off. That's not very skibbity. Yes, that is.
Somebody was saying the N-word to me.
Hey.
Who's the N-word?
Why did you say that?
Because somebody else, like he's older than he is.
No, why did you say that?
Because somebody told me.
Hey, maroon or yellow or whatever color it is. Why did you say that?
I never said anything.
You legit N-word baited.
Liar. He's a liar.
I'm not.
Whatever you just told me. Why can't I use word that like literally like
And you did
like
too.
literally just
And then as they're saying it, they said that with it.
Hold on. Blue. Can you press your buttons? No, like stick your arms out and press your buttons.
Can you press?
No, like stick your arm all the way out real quick.
I bet.
But
You don't
but
have-
we both know you're
No,
using sticks.
Of course I don't. Because
You don't have-
We
Bro,
both
you
know
don't have this.
so well that you're using
That's
sticks.
what I do.
Are you using stick?
No, not this. This. The hat.
Sticks are bannable.
Because I'm new.
No, I mean I'll use this guy.
Damn.
I got banned from doing.
Bye.
Dude, who just said that?
You don't have this.
Who said that?
Just kidding.
Blue.
It was blue.
Blue. What did you say? Blue. You mind repeating that for me?
What?
What you just said?
What do you mean?
You mind repeating that for me?
What?
What
What?
you said?
Repeating.
What you said?
I said nothing.
I'll tell you.
Buddy.
Liar.
Hey, look. You mind repeating what you said, bud?
You said N. You said N. You
Holy.
didn't finish the sentence.
Moly.
You never say
Holy.
You said N. You didn't finish.